Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? You guessed it, I am back to teach you another line dance to give you the step-by-step instructions. So make sure you subscribe and share this video with your family and your friends, okay? So guys, next year, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022, all roads leads to New Orleans, Louisiana. That's right, to the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend here in New Orleans. Again, the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend here in New Orleans. 4 days of line dancing, 4 days of theme parties, 4 days of workshop, you name it, exercise classes, worship service, you name it, and it's packed into that 4-day weekend. Please go over to our website to register and to book your hotel at www.lmiunola.com. Again, www.lmiunola.com. I want to see you there. So guys, I have been getting so many requests from y'all guys, and I'm trying to keep up, okay? I had a little technical difficulties in this room. We got it straight, and I am back, okay? So I'm back on the grind, so come on, let's do it. So if you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes here in New Orleans, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, can we talk? Can we talk? That's the next line dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. So come along. So let's start here at this wall here because it's a 4-wall dance and it's going to move counterclockwise, which means counterclockwise to our left, okay? Four-wall dance, and it's a beginner's line dance, okay? So I'm going to try, as you know, I teach at all levels. So this is the beginner line dance. We don't want to forget about our beginners, okay? So it starts here on this wall, so stand on this side looking out in this direction, okay? So the first step is a side point coaster step. So it starts on the right. Side, point to the front with a coaster step. Right, left, right. And we do the same thing on the left. Side point, side, point, coaster step. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, point, coaster step, side, point, coaster step. Okay? And that coaster step is a triple step. Side, point, right, left, right, side, point, left, right, left. So you kind of switch it to your footwork. Right, left, right, side, point, left, right, left. So you go, you step back, right, left, back, up, back, up. Okay, that's a coaster step. It's just that you're picking up the step, the tempo. Right, left, right. Okay, 5, 6, 7, side, point, coaster step. You see how my right comes back? Come to the front and do the same thing on the left. Side, point, coaster step, okay? Now we're going to do, the last step was on our left, rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step. Same thing we do on the right, we do on the left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, okay? So, at the beginning of the dance, those of you who've been line dancing for a minute, you want to go to the point to the front, but you point to the side. Side, point, coaster step, side, point, coaster step, rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step. So far, we've really only done 2 things, okay? Because the same thing we do on the right, we do on the left, okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and side, point, coaster step, side, point, coaster step, rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, 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 left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so the last step is on the left. Now it's time to move a little bit, okay? Because we've been at this wall right here, grooving out. Now let's start to move. We're going to shuffle up, triple step, right, left, right. So we go right, left, right. And we're going to pivot, step, pivot, half. Okay? So right, left, right, turn to the right. Right, left, right, point on the left, turn to your right, half turn. Then repeat it on the left. Left, right, left, step, turn, triple step. No, it's not going to be a triple step. And step, turn. Okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, step, pivot, half, left, right, left, step, pivot, half. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the shuffle is a triple step. 1, 2, 3 on the right, and the turn is a left, right, left, right, and you're done. Now you repeat it on the left. Shuffle on the left. Left, right, left. The turn is right, left. That's it. It's a half turn. So you shuffle right, your right shoulder, you turn to the right. Right, left, right, step, pivot, half. Then shuffle left. Left, right, left, right, left. And turn to your left. Let's put both of those steps together. It's a side point with a coaster step. Side point, coaster step. It's a rock recover with a triple step. Again on the left, rock recover, triple step. We shuffle right, left, right, left, right, left foot, left, right, left, right, left. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side point, coaster step. Side point, coaster step. Right, rock, recover. Right, left, rock, recover. Left, right, left. Shuffle right, left, step, pivot, half. Left, right, left, step, pivot, half. Okay, so the last step was right, left on the left foot. And look, my right leg is up. So I'm here back at this wall. I made 2 half turns and it brought me right back here. So I'm going to dip to the right. I'm going to slow down. Dip right, dip left. Now it's time to go to the next wall. This is the step that's going to take us to the next wall, which is 4 rocks. Right, left, making a quarter turn to our left. Right, left, left. My weight is on my left, and I'm ready to start over with my side point coaster step, okay? So let's go back to this wall. That's the dance, okay? So review is side point coaster step on the right and the left. A rock recover with a triple step on the right and the left. You shuffle right, step pivot half, shuffle left, step pivot half. We dip to the right, to the left. The line dance moves counterclockwise, so we just rock for 4, turn into our left, making a quarter turn. That's the next wall. We here, the next wall is here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Like I said, the dance moves counterclockwise. We're at our next wall, and we start over with the same footwork. Forget about the wall. It's just giving you a different view, but you're still going to use your same footwork, which starts with that side point coaster step, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, point, coaster step. Left side, point, coaster step. Rock, rock, recover, triple step. Left, rock, recover, triple step. Shuffle, right, step, pivot, half. Left, step, pivot, half. Dip right, dip left, quarter left, rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we here. So let's start over from this wall here. Forget the wall, it's just giving us a different view. So we start with that footwork on the right. 5, 6, 7, and side, point, coaster step, side, point, coaster step, rock, recover, right, left, triple step, left, rock, recover, triple step, shuffle right, right, step, pivot, half, left, right, step, pivot, half, dip right, dip left, rock to the left, right, left. You rock to the right, quarter turn to your left. You rock right, left, quarter turn to your left. From here, same thing, okay? So, let's start from this wall again, and we'll do it 2 times. And I'll give you the count to give you the tempo, okay? And that is the dance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dip 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left 5 and 6, 7, 8. Dip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2. Triple 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle right, step, pivot, half. Left, step, pivot, half. Dip right, dip left, quarter to your left. Right, left. I'm not going to do this because you'll be looking back at the camera. But that's it. Can we talk? Make sure you go and watch the demo. It's very smooth. You're doing the simple step. You can chill and enjoy the music, okay? Can we talk? And while we're talking, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. Tell your line dance family, tell your instructors, share this information with your students. And also, you can only register, you only can book your hotel through our website. So please go over to our website at www.lmiunola.com. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I have no problem answering it at 504-251-0674. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.